Hi, thank you and welcome to our world, Emmarcopro. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate this dehumidifier from Sevon. Let me open this and we will take a look inside. I bought this from Amazon and within 48 hours, it's literally at my door. So super convenient. At first, you will see this looks like a humidifier or vaporizer or air purifier, but indeed, this is actually dehumidifier. It means it will extract all the water in your air in the room, and the water should fill up this tank. And this is the on and off button. Maybe this is the light. This looks very good, very modern. Imagine if you see water goes from here to all the way here, right? It's really nice. And let's see what they have. Anything else? This is the instruction, which is very easy to understand. Just plug in the wall, and plug in this empty container, and the water is supposed to fill up. And of course, after I plug this up, I will bring this to my most moist area in my house. Guess what? It's the basement. So that's where I'm gonna go, and we'll give a test for maybe 6 hours, and let's see the result. This is garbage. This is the plug. So put this on. And sit them in. Let's plug them in. All right, let's go to test this out. All right, so this one is right at my little gym, and outside it's raining hard, and I have the plug, and everything's plugged in. All right, so now the can is empty, and let me start. I wonder what this is. Oh, this is the light. This is a green light, changing color. All right, I'm gonna come back maybe after a few hours. Let's see. And let's see if the water actually filled up quickly or not. Today is such a good day to test this dehumidifier. Listen, outside is raining hard, so it's a good day. And we are setting up the dehumidifier, and I will check back in about maybe just 3 hours, and let's see if this dehumidifier will fill up with a lot of water. Let's check on the water after 3 hours. Let me turn on the lights. All right, so far so good, but the water is not actually that much, which means this room is not very moisturized. So far so good. I'm going to let it just run for the whole night and until the water's full, and I'm gonna pour out the water. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.